ba ang latest update ni YouTube this October 12, 2021? Kamakailan lang ay in-announce ni YouTube team na starting October 12, 2021, YouTube is lowering the eligibility threshold for community posts to channels with over 500 subscribers. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi mo pa na-reach ang 1,000 subscribers, ay maa-access mo na ang community tab. Ano nga ba ang community tab or community post? The community tab allows creators to post updates, create polls, share GIFs, and interact with subscribers and visitors. The community tab gives channel a Facebook page-like experience where creators can post different types of status updates like text, images, links, and GIFs. This is the overview of the community tab if you already have the access, and this one if you do not have access on the community tab. How to create posts in your community tab?
Step 1. Go to YouTube and sign into your account on your smartphone or PC. Step 2. Go to your YouTube channel. Step 3. In the menu tab, select Community. Step 4. Type or paste your message into the text box and add an image, GIF, or video, if desired. Step 5. Choose the kind of post you want to create: video, poll, image, or post. Step 6. Select Post.
Just follow those steps and you will now be able to see your community posts under the community tab of your channel page.